Besides being a knife sharpener extraordinaire, I'm also restoring this deck gun. This is a 1915 deck gun, and as you can see, it's got a lot of spots on it, some rust, and lots of brass. So first thing I'm doing is taking off all the brass, and then after all the brass is done, I'll clean up these rust marks. And this is 1915 Vickers. This used to be a deck gun on a submarine, and it's a Mark IV, 4 inches, you could read it there, and have all the parts for it. So conceivably, and the barrel is not plugged, and conceivably this guy can fire, but I don't think we want it to fire. I mean, it's just not going to be able to be fired. But it is absolutely stunning. All the bronze, the brass, have all the gears and everything, and gonna fix it up, make it work. And those are a couple of cannons that had also repaired, not repaired really, just treated them so that the rust would stop. Had to hammer it all out, and we can't bring these to modern standards. All we can do is just get them ready to be displayed. But here's an interesting thing a lot of people might not know, but if you go around Europe, you might find the top of this cannon coming out of by the docks, because they would actually bury this, you know, barrel upward, and then tie ships to it. And you could see some ship was tied to it, that it eventually grinded away the metal, and it's pretty impressive. Just imagine how much tension was against this while it was buried. And the other two are in a little bit better shape. And then we got this guy, and just to let you know that we can open this guy up. Look at that rifling. Ain't that beautiful? Another one, we have all the parts for this guy, and going to clean it up, paint it, polish it up, and get it functional, so you know people can come and actually see how these guys worked. I took the breech part off, you know, but it's really a magnificent piece. And this is what I'm doing besides sharpening knives and trolling all the knife Fred people. So keep it sharp.